Hi everyone, welcome to another review of Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum. And just with the recent episode, drama उस point पे पहुंच चुका है जहाँ हम लोग नहीं चाहते कि हानिया आमिर और मुस्तफ़ा separate हों. But as we have seen, like both of them, have opposite qualities, but still they are complementing each other. For example, like Hania Amir, I mean Sharjina, she's freak, and Mustafa is disheveled. Hania Amir is tidy, but Mustafa is messy, untidy. Similarly, she is very organized, but Mustafa is disorganized. And Sharjina, she wants everything in apple by order, but he is very scruffy. Mustafa is very scruffy. So, but the common thing in both of them is that they are caring for each other. Like, if they are helpful to each other. For example, when Mustafa needs money, she was offering her money. Or although he doesn't want help for his father, but still she is helpful for him. And then when she needs help for her assignment, and Mustafa was helping for her assignment, and then they are really respectful to each other, trying to make a best couple, like perfect couple, जो एक दूसरे की कमियां हैं वो एक दूसरे को पूरी करके एक को रेस्ट देते हैं, दूसरा काम करते हैं. So they are making a good couple, like a peachy couple, smashing on the screen. On the opposite side, Adil and Rubab, they are totally opposite. Adil is just suffering because he wants the money, but actually he needs the wife, which should be like Hanyamar, like Sharjina. Like he wants the wife who should be submissive, khidmat guzar, uska hukm manne wali, but he got a wife, Rubab, who is really dominant, ruling, badtameez, insolent, and he Adil actually wanted money along with the wife who could serve him, who should be inferior to him. Adil सादे करते रहते हैं. She is Rubab is kind of not only controlling, bullish wife. She had a bullish character, which gonna be appear more in next episodes when Rubab बहुत बुरा सलूक करेगी. In कभी मैं कभी तुम, they have start showing like Rubab has a bullish character, not only to her husband, like वो सिर्फ अदील के साथ ही बुरी नहीं है, बल्कि वो उसके पेरेंट्स के साथ भी बुरा सलूक करेगी. जब रुबाब उनको अपने घर लेके जाएगी, लेन उनकी इंसल्ट करेगी और बाहर निकालेगी. सो दैट्स गोना बी मेकिंग रिपेंटफुल to not only Adil but also his parents. Like Pushan Sari, जो कि अभी सिर्फ रुबाब की फेवर में है, later on she's gonna might be regretting like her son, जो कि obviously उसकी माँ के लिए तो बच्चा जो एक अच्छी एजुकेशन जिसको दी, जो अच्छी जॉब कर रहा है, उसके बाद एक औरत से डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल हो रहा है, वो भी फॉर नथिंग, एंड बिकमिंग सबऑर्डिनेट. दैट्स गोना बी रियली वेरी बैड. No doubt Adil is getting what he has shown before, like do good and have good. He has not done anything good. Adil is getting what he has shown before. I mean, जो उसने किया है वही वो काट रहा है. So it was his choice. Although inside he wants a polite wife, but although Adil को एक polite wife चाहिए थी हानिया की जैसे, but he got a very cocky wife. And he is realizing this fact whenever he see, like जब भी अदील मुस्तफ़ा और शर्जीना को खुश देखता या उनके एक दूसरे के साथ कंपेटेबिलिटी देखता, then he get jealous inside in his heart. Like उसे ऐसी बेबी चाहिए थी जो कि एजुकेटेड ही नहीं हो, बल्कि साथ चलती भी खूबसूरत लगे, वैसे भी हो, उसकी रिस्पेक्ट भी करे, खिदमत गुजार भी हो, जबकि वो रुबाब के लिए सारे काम कर रहा होता है. So that's making really a very peak of this drama, and it's nice to see. बहुत अच्छा है कि जो कुछ उसने किया उसकी सज़ा भी उसको कहीं ना कहीं मिल रही है अदील को. एंड इट्स कैन मेक मोर. अभी तो उसकी कमेंट्स की वजह से लड़ाइयाँ होना शुरू हो गई. अदील के बिहेवियर, अदील और रुबाब के आने की वजह से, अदील और रुबाब के आने की वजह से, उनके जेलसी फैक्टर की वजह से शर्जीना एंड मुस्तफ़ा में फ़ाइट्स होने शुरू हो गई. एंड जल्दी पे तेल का काम जो है वो उनकी सासू माँ कर रही हैं. एंड देन एट द एंड it will flourish their character. All these fights, they will get to know like they cannot survive without each other. Like they need one another. Mustafa needs Sharjina and Sharjina needs Mustafa, because Sharjina was the one who knows the talent. Sharjina ही थी जिसको पता था कि उसके हस्बैंड का ये टैलेंट है गेमिंग में, एंड ही कैन डू दैट जॉब, एंड वी शुड नो द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड एंड लेट देम डू दैट वर्क, बिकॉज they can excel in that. They can make money. Like these days, if you see, people are just making money on mobile phones, so why not? If they have interest in the gaming, so they can make it better source of income. So yeah, that's making it very nice. And this is, I mean, climax with all and everything. And I hope, yeah, one more point, like how Natasha is behaving. By the end of the drama, I feel like Adil and Rubab will get separated. But at the same time, the Natasha is in the same situation as Adil. So there should be a, like, I think so. It could be an attraction towards Natasha and Adil, because Natasha wants a husband like Adil, and also Adil needs a wife who could be understanding and also with the money. So it might be they go along with each other, because Natasha is not controlling, but Rupab is very controlling, which makes their relationship very bad, and day by day they are deteriorating itself. So let's see for the end and hope for the best. And if you like the review, don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching. Bye bye. Bye for now.